And I'm mixing a song here by Devoshi Bhattacharya in Nuendo 12 or Cubase 12. So this is a mixing mastering tutorial in Nuendo 12. And so now today we'll see the melody section and or the what you call the backing section. And we have seen the acoustic rhythm and bass sections before, so you can check out the rhythm and the bass videos in my channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share the video, and do all those steps to support me. You can also master 2 songs per month in my YouTube channel if you have to just join my YouTube community members. So in only 2.5 thousand rupees you can master 2 songs which is produced by you in my studio with analog summing and analog compression and EQ and with generic monitorings. And you can also come to my studio. So that's an interesting thing we have started, so you can start up that. So in the backing section we have an ambient synth which is having a lot of processing, not a lot of processing, a lot of EQ, because I love this sound. It's called the Glorious Guitars from Omnisphere. It sounds like this. Just listen to this part with the song, it's amazing.
भीनी भीनी महकी है समा, नाद है तू साज बना दिल, नाद है तू लगती सुर में डूबी सर्ग में, कितनी हंसी ये चांदनी रात, साथिया इस पल को जी ले, भीनी भीनी.
So I love this ambient synth. Then we have the EQ, which is going to an XEQ of native SSL native, and we have the RVox, and then of course it's going through some filters. So the EP is that's the string pad from Omnisphere having the same reverb as all this backing stuff. So this is having, and also there's some choirs going on here as well. Then of course in the interlude section we have the sidechain synth, which is, so there is no kick sidechaining this synth. This basically it's exported that way. That's why it's sounding like this. It has some RVox, some EQ, and some basic reverbs and delays. And then the lead synth, which is this one. So some saturation, very less saturation, and there's a delay and reverb going on. The lead reverb is, I guess it's AKG, I think so. Oh, the lead reverb is a H reverb. This is a hybrid reverb from Waves, and also a little bit compression from the RVox. And yeah, so that's the synth doing there. and lead synth doing there, and of course we have our piano. So our piano is basically having some EQs here, and then it's going to an LA2A and the API 560, which is my favorite EQ plugin because it adds a lot of texture, and going to the backing hall reverb. So my piano without the processing, it sounds like this. Without the EQ, it's now with the EQ, with the processors, so that's the piano stuff going on, and that was our backing section, which is programmed. And then we are coming to the guitars. Now this guitar is basically, I have used this from the this is a Logic stock guitar sound, and this is basically a strummed acoustic guitar, and I've used only in the cross sections. So also here, so that's the stuff. I could have processed it more, but just because of I had other guitars here, that's why it's acting like a layer. But that was nice. And of course we have the guitars here. So I think the guitars are doing nothing here, at least from this part. Okay, now these two guitars has some SSL EQ. Not much in the bass, but in the low mids, high mids, and the highs. Same thing going on here, and also some stuff having this guitar. So basically this is the Honor guitar and these are the Ovation. So they're having SSL EQs there because I have probably done the compression in the group track. Yes, I have done 2 SSL compress plugins here. So
yeah.
So basically 2 layers of guitars is being played. So sorry. So that's one thing, and this is another section, which is so that's basically syncopating the piano. You can watch the production videos in my YouTube channel. And these are the other stuffs. And here there's a solo part of the guitar, which is this track. Again, this track has what? The same, this track has got a preamplifier from UAD, my favorite 610 plugins. I have the hardware also. So I have done a delay here also. I've done is done some panning automation here. So according to the song, or wherever I feel like to cut it through, I have basically
मोरा तेरे नाम पे जीना मरवरा है, जोगन दिल हो चला ये, तेरे नाम पे जीना मरना, हाल दिल का ना कोई पता, शामो दिन तेरी राह तक ये मन मोरा बावरा है, जोगन दिल हो चला ये।
see how this is cutting through in the song. And the middle portion, we have the qawwali section of the guitar. So this is that portion. So one is the mandolin, one is the guitar, which is a Hopner guitar and the mandolin here. But what I forgot to tell you is that we have a section which is here, which is doing the guitar design here. So basically here is the there's a drum groove going on, and basically what I've done here is basically a guitar design. Now with that we have another guitar. Now here what I have done is I have done a small addition to the tail part. So now with that I have another guitar layer. That was going on here, so it's a continuous pulse to it. I could have taken this a little bit farther with the volume, so it could be like 3 dB out there. That was the guitar section, and yeah, that's almost everything. Now the last thing is the harmonium, and then we have the surrows, and then we have the voices. So we'll talk about the harmonium and the surrows and the voices in our next video. Till then, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, please join my YouTube channel if you want to get your songs mastered by me, and then you can learn sound engineering from me. You can arrange music tracks with me. You can produce your songs with me. There's a hell lot of services from Ananjan Studio. So if you want to contact me, please contact 98310671644, and I will be there for your musical journey. And till then, thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thanks.